In this video, we're going to go over the integration between Zoho Sign and Zoho Desk. Here we are in the Zoho Desk settings. So let's click on All under Marketplace. And we're going to search for Zoho Sign. The extension is this one called Zoho Sign for Zoho Desk. We are going to install it. Check these two boxes and install. Here we have to select the departments and profiles that will have access to the extension. And click on install. The last thing we have to do is to authorize the extension. In this new window, click on accept. All right, we are all set. Let's see what the extension can do. Let's go to tickets and open any ticket. On the right, we have this new button that will open the marketplace panel. And this is the Zoho Sign extension. Notice that this ticket has a PDF attached, and the extension has recognized that. Something we can do is sign the PDF. We can select it and then click on Sign Yourself. Let me center this window, and we can drag and drop our signature. We can also add any fields from the right panel. Once you added all the fields you need, click on Finish. And here we can send a signed PDF via email. I'm going to select the contact that needs this document and click on Send. Okay, let's close this window. And on the extension, click on the back button. Something else we can do is send documents for signature. Let's upload a document. I'm going to send this agreement. Make sure to unselect the documents you don't want to send. In this case, the NDA is selected, so I'm going to unselect it. And now click on Send for Signatures. We're going to add the contact related to this ticket as a recipient, which is right here. And you can add more recipients if needed with the Add Recipients button. Click on Continue. I'm going to center this window. And now we're going to add a signature field. The recipient is already selected, so I'm going to drag and drop the signature. You can add other fields if needed. For this example, we only require one signature, so let's send the document. And confirm. All right, the document has been sent. Let's return to the dashboard. And click on View Associated Documents. Here we can find all the documents related to this ticket. The NDA document shows as completed, and the agreement, which we just sent, is in progress. If we open the contact, we also have access to the Zoho Sign extension, and we can also see the associated documents. In this case, it will display all documents related to this contact.